started getting dragged off to Bribie Island. Oh well, this is the end. There is bull sharks around dusk, so they would have finished me off. That would have been alright.
Aren't you glad that you're home safe and sound now, ready for another day of adventure?
Yes, home safe and sound with my loving daughter.
Put your hand in there. Oh, be good.
Just wait for the wave to go out.
Soft sand. Beautiful chuck. You guys know how I got stranded on the island. Fourth day on Moreton Island, and guess where we're at? Tangalooma Wreck again, but today, beautiful sun, no wind, no waves, at least till 3 or 4 p.m. Today is Friday, but it's the beginning of a long weekend. It's gonna turn into like a big car park out here. Oh, jeez. Luckily, we are here early. All right, ready? Oh, here we go. Just do that. Come on. Go. 1, 2, 3, down. Go. One of the concerns I have before visiting Moreton Island was to consider how strong the current could be, knowing that it's roughly 2 days into the new moon. I have had bad experiences with kayaking against a strong current a few times in the past, and none of us are strong swimmers that will be able to swim against it. However, we couldn't pass up the opportunity to swim at the wreck when the sun was out and the wind died down. So after lunch, some of the adults and most of the kids went out for another round of snorkeling.
We literally can't swim in the current.
It's pushing this way.
Oh, no wonder.
So let's just drift to the next wreck.
But we didn't. What we do? We have to wear the barge. Finally, just drowned.
Did they need a rescue? Being dragged out? Yeah. Current's very strong, they're being rescued. Current too strong?
Yeah, we got real strong on that.
Did you send a jet ski out to help them out? You can see how strong it is, eh?
Well, I couldn't even get them to move further up the wrecks. They just can't paddle strong enough.
Oh, yeah.
And I was dragging them through some of it where I could.
Hey, up, yo, kayak's down at the back. New moon time, full moon tide is always difficult. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
So much.
Well, we're gonna pick them up at Bribie, but it was by pure luck that Cameron managed to wave down a jet ski to help out. Otherwise, we could have lost contact with the SUP, and God knows what would have happened after that. What a day, eventful day at Tangalooma. Are we driving back to the lighthouse? I can see it from here. We just drove over here to the eastern side of the beach, and we're gonna get some more peas for dinner. There we go. You look for those little bump. See this? that little bump. Oh, too small. White sauce, red sauce means it can only mean spaghetti tonight.
Lasagna.
Oh, it can only mean lasagna tonight. We are going to Buwa and we're traveling on the east side during high tide, so there's a bit of soft sand. If you look out front, the dashboard, you can see quite a fair bit of soft sand we're driving on. But should be okay, we can see the tracks.
Wait for the
Wait,
go out, and we just gotta
cut through that little bit and then off.
But it's as hard as a rock.
Did you see the blue highline?
Oh, looks like a swarm more than a lake. Okay, great looking lake. Not even worth taking the drone up. Plus, it's a bit windy anyway, so I'm not risking my drone for this. It's still moving towards me. It's a bit of a community here, Buwa. That's where we were gonna stay. Huh.
It's such a far drive from here. Yes.
Barbecue cooktop, a couple of fridges. It's pretty well equipped. Did you kumbaya here last time?
No,
What?
it rained every night.
Oh right, that would be a bummer.
That was our apartment there.
Yeah, I remember. This is where, if you were to rent here, you can get apartments through this as well. I missed my water crossing though. Where's my water crossing? Our 6th day here at Moreton Island and the skies open up. Oh, someone's still running here. And our ferry's not going to be here until 4 p.m. The best volleyball game I played in many years.
Good job.
See you guys! What a week it's been. Whole week at Tangalooma and we are finally heading home. Not the best last day because it's been drizzling, cloudy and cold, but what a wonderful week. We went to Gutters Bar, we did sand slide, we had oyster, we fished a tiny bit. Loved the water. It's really clear and it was warm. We also drove up to Bulwell just to see how things are like up there. It's my first time here at Moreton Bay. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Beautiful sunset. First time I got so close to whales. The whole week was beautiful. We really enjoyed the stay here. I don't think we're coming back again next year, but we certainly will come back. We might just take the boat over to do the snorkeling. Anyway, if you enjoy the videos, hit the like, share, subscribe and bell buttons, please. We really appreciate that. It's Tim Wanderer and I'll see you out in the water. Bye. That's me.
Good on you, Tim. Listen to his directions. Up you go.
Cheers, mate.
Cool.